Alright, today I'm going to be testing out the Armacost Lighting wire-to-wire spring connector for 22, 20, and 18 gauge light duty wires. Maybe this is light duty. Do not try to run your electrical for outlets and switches in your home. It's okay for under the cabinet LEDs, but other than that, stick to vehicles, boats, and things of that nature. If you notice in the connector, one side is smaller than the other. I think that is basically because it holds in the spring. So if you just press the little seesaw on the top, you'll see that the spring opens up. That's where you would put your wire. Same thing on the other side. You see the hole opens up. You can use tinned or untinned wire. This is 20 gauge wire. It's untinned. And I'm just going to slide it right in here. And then once you put it in there, you want to give it a little tug and make sure that it's snug. So what I'm going to do here for the demonstration is do a continuity test to make sure that the connector works. Then we're going to put a wire on the other side. Same thing. And you can do these in 2C, 4C, and 5C combinations. You can see we got good continuity through the wire. And we'll just check this connector. We got good continuity there. Here I have a little bundle set up already that I was playing around with. Again, you want to get a little tug. And the good thing about these connectors is they're quick, and then you can pull the wire out if you need to. If you get frayed or burr, whatever, pull it out. 1, 2, 3, and replace it. Just like that.